Stripe just agreed to pay more than $7 billion for a company most people have never heard of, and it tells you exactly where the AI industry thinks the real money is. If you build anything with AI APIs, or you pay for AI tools at all, this deal changes how you should think about paying for them. On August 16, Bloomberg reported that Stripe has agreed to acquire OpenRouter, a startup that lets developers access more than 400 different AI models, from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and dozens of smaller labs, through a single API. Instead of writing separate integrations and billing setups for every AI provider, OpenRouter routes each request to whichever model makes sense on cost, speed, or capability, and bills it all in one place. Sources later told the New York Times the actual price was around $7.5 billion, with OpenRouter's founders alone reportedly walking away with $1.5 billion of that. For context on how fast this moved, OpenRouter was valued at just $1.3 billion during its Series B round only 3 months earlier, in May. This deal values it at more than 5 times that, and the company says it now serves 8 million users worldwide. Stripe CEO Patrick Collison said the goal is to help businesses, quote, maximize profitability by routing their requests intelligently and spending their tokens efficiently. In plain terms, Stripe wants to become the billing and plumbing layer for the AI economy, the same way it already is for online payments. Here's the opportunity hiding inside this story. Most small businesses and solo developers using AI tools are wired to a single model, usually whichever one they started with, and they're paying premium prices even for their simplest requests, like a one-line email reply getting routed through the same expensive model that handles their hardest tasks. Multiply that across thousands of requests a month, and the waste adds up fast, even if nobody on the team ever notices it. You can offer a straightforward audit and setup service built around this. Look at how a client currently uses AI in their app, chatbot, or internal workflow, and figure out which requests actually need a top-tier model versus which ones are simple enough for a cheaper one. Sign them up for a model routing gateway like OpenRouter, and configure things so easy, low-stakes requests default to a cheap, fast model, while only the genuinely hard tasks get routed to a premium one. Most of these gateways take well under an hour to wire into an existing tool or automation, since they're built to be a drop-in replacement for a single provider's API. Package it as a flat-fee AI cost audit. Pull a client's last month of API usage, show them the real dollar difference between what they're paying now and what intelligent routing would cost going forward, then implement it and hand over a simple usage dashboard so they can see it working. That kind of measurable, before and after number is what sells this on Fiverr or Upwork, and you're not building anything from scratch, you're wiring together tools that already exist. If you want more AI news and money breakdowns like this every day, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. This is informational only, not financial advice.